Let's see these, let's see these, let's see these. Air Jordan 1 Pollen Juniors. These are the Air Jordan 1 Pollen Juniors right here. Like, no cap, no exaggeration. Let's check them out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Matt. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Little small disclaimer before we even go into with today's review. I am feeling a little bit under the weather, so if while I'm making this review, if you hear my voice sounding congested, I'm probably already sure you can hear it maybe right now. Yeah, I'm battling a little small cold right now, so I'm trying to get over that. And I wasn't gonna bring a video out, but I was like, no. For the family, for y'all, I gotta go ahead and show y'all love. The show must go on. So yeah, if I sound a little bit icky, that's why. So just letting you guys know, and we can go over this video right now. So in today's video, I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. And if you're looking at the thumbnail and you're looking at the title, I'm bringing y'all an early look over the Nike Dunk Low in the Goldenrod colorway. And I'm low-key calling these AKA Pollen Junior. Reason being is because if you've been keeping up with Air Jordan 1 releases for this year, then you did know that we did go ahead and get an Air Jordan 1 Pollen. And if you look at the colorway on those and you look at the colorway on these, they literally look the exact same. So that's why I'm actually calling them the Pollen. But I'm really excited to bring this review for you guys, because considering that the release for these also was kind of finicky. They were saying they were coming out for 2021. Now, as of 2 days ago, they did go ahead and load up on Nike sneakers, and they're coming out for the 16th. So with all that said, let's go ahead and dive into these beautiful Goldenrod dunks. Let's go. So two things. Wow, that sun came out of literally nowhere. Two things I want to say before we actually take a look at these Goldenrod dunks. One, I always would like to thank you guys so much for the love and support that you always show. Like, you have no idea. You have no idea how much it really motivates me to keep going. Look, I'm under the weather and I'm still pushing out content for you guys. Y'all made me do this, okay? I blame y'all. Now, but for real, I really do appreciate you guys' love and support. Like, seriously, the goal is 2,000. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button and you also subscribe to the channel, because we are pushing for that goal very soon. So I want you to know that I'm grateful for y'all. I'm grateful for y'all. The second thing is, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing, and I like to match it with matching headbands. So I got my headband, my Nike headband right here. We're gonna go ahead and put it on. Today's color theme is obviously yellow and black, so I'm gonna put these babies on and let's dive into these golden rods. Let's get it. All right, so boom, we do have our black Nike headband on. We got a nice little white swoosh right there. So let's go ahead and take the knife right now and cut into this box. So like I said, these are releasing on next week on the 16th. And for a minute I was concerned, because all of like the news where I usually keep up on my sneakers, I'm like, they just kept saying 2021. And I'm like, when are these actually releasing? But 2 days ago, these officially uploaded on Nike sneakers, and they have been set for the 16th. And other foot sites as well. I know Foot Locker and I know Champs, when you look on their sites, the drop for these is the 16th. So I went ahead and I wanted these early because I wanted to go ahead and give you guys the early review. So I went ahead and paid a little bit more over on the secondary market. I did go ahead and get these from Go, and honestly, they're not that bad in price right now. I would actually, if you do want these, I would actually go ahead and check out the prices and make your decision, because they're not that bad considering what the other dunks are going for this year. So right there, as you can see, your regular Nike box that usually comes in all your dunks. You do have all red, and then you got your smack in the middle Nike. Looking at the back of it as well, you do have, as well as the front side, you have your Nike and your swoosh right there. And then as you look on the side, you do have it as well. I'm gonna go ahead and read you guys the size description really quick. So size description does read: Nike Dunk Low Retro. We have black, goldenrod, and white. 10.5. The SKU code is DD1391004. And if you're wondering why there is no suggested retail price, it's because these actually came overseas. These released in the EU first before they released in the US. So as you do get ahead, and when these do release in the States, you will see probably as right there a suggested retail price. Like I said, I did get a 10.5. When it comes to sizing, when it comes to dunks, if you've never got any dunks before, I recommend going true to size. So whatever you fit, I would say in an Air Force One and an Air Jordan 1, whatever your true to size is for that, go that size. For example, I'm in 11, but I wanted a snugger fit, and if you do want a snugger fit, go a half size down and you will be perfectly fine. So that's all that has right there on the box right there. Time to get into the review of things. So let's go ahead and turn this for you guys for the camera. Let's go ahead and lift it up together. 3, 2, 1, boom. As you can, boom, right there. Nice regular box right there. And then you got a white tissue paper, and we're gonna go ahead and peel this back together. 3, 2, 1, boom. Dude, these are just like the Pollens. These look just like the Pollens. Here we go right there. We got the left. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Hold on, I'm looking for my verification though. There it is. Okay. Gotta make sure sometimes. Gotta make sure. So here we go right here. Here is the GOAT verification right there, and then there is the sticker. Let me go ahead and put that down, and let me take out the other size right there. This is the I almost said Air Jordan 1. These are the Nike Dunk Low Goldenrod. These are nice. These are nice. The quality of them, it's okay, but yeah, these look exactly like the Pollen. Let me go ahead and actually put everything up, and we can go straight into checking these out. Let's go. All right, so boom, bada bing, bada boom. Here we go right here. These are the Goldenrod dunks. Which one do we want to go ahead and review first? Gotta go with the right today. So looking at them right here, you do have an all yellow midsole right there, or outsole, excuse me. And then as you come up more to the midsole, it is all white around it. Coming up a little bit to the, what's it called, the toe right there, it's black. And then you have your side panels right here, it's orange, or I'm saying orange, yellow as well right there. Looking at the side, you do have your yellow swoosh right there, kind of coming back. You have your, looking up to the Nike, you have your stitch Nike, and it is in black right there. I think that's a beautiful touch they did. You do have your laces, which is in that Goldenrod colorway. Looking up at the tongue of it, you have your tongue, it's in black right here, and then you do have your yellow and stitched tag right there. Looking inside of the, let me go ahead and take out the shoe tree. Looking inside of the insole, you do have a Nike logo right there, and it's kind of actually, it's like a dark orange. Yeah, this is a dark orange. Check it out right there. And then you got your insole is black. Like I said, I did go ahead and get a 10.5. I want you guys to see the tag right in there if you can. These are, dude, these are literally the Pollen Juniors, and now you know why I'm calling these the Pollen Juniors. Comment down below and let me know how you like these. As far as my overall thoughts so far, looking at the shoe, it's nice. The quality could be better, but what do you expect? It's a dunk. I mean, these are only $100. Yeah, these aren't bad. There's a couple, oh, hold on, wait a minute. There's a couple glue stains right there. Can y'all see that right there? Kind of a little bit of quality control issue. Not too bad, but nonetheless though, I do like these. An all black fit, an all gray fit, these would go hard in the paint for sure. And like I said, for $100 and looking at the resale price of them right now, they're going for like 155-ish, 160. It's not too bad. If you're looking for these, go ahead and check them out. Comment down below, let me know what you feel about these right now. Are these one that you would actually go for? I think I got a really, my favorite detail about these is probably the stitch right here, the Nike stitch in the back. I think that's nice. We've gotten so many dunk lows this year though, and you know, I just think that these are nice too. These are a nice one to have the collection. I think that these aren't bad. If I had to go ahead and pick the Pollen Jordan 1s or these, I think I'm going with these, look. I think I'm going with these. Comment down below, let me know what you think about them. right now. So here they go right here, guys. I actually am gonna get an on feet look for you guys in a few minutes here. I really don't have too much to say about these. They're nice, I do like them. Would I pay, I mean, obviously I paid resale for them. I like them, I really do dig them. If this is a shoe that I really think that it's gonna be really hard to match with certain outfits, but at the same time very easy, if it makes sense. Like this one, it's gonna be like, you're gonna have to wear it all solid fit, you know, for these to really go well. But I mean, hey, you know what, if you do pick these up, tag me over on Instagram, because I would like to see like some of the fits that you guys come up with, because you guys be coming up with some crazy fits. Yeah, I don't have too much to say about these. I do like them a lot. If you get them for resale, cool. Check them out on the secondary market. Like I said, I will post a link in the description down below where you can find that at. And I like them though. I do like them. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review right now. Let me go ahead and show you guys one little closer glimpse to them. Check them out, a small overview. There's so many dunks that have come out this year. I think these are a great one to add to the collection as well. I also think if you don't have the Air Jordan 1 Pollen, because I mean these look so identical, if you don't have the Pollens, these are like the next best thing for you. But like I said, these are nice. Let me know how you feel about them in the comments below. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to conclude today's review over the Nike Dunk Low in the Goldenrod colorway. Comment down below, let me know what you think about them. Like I said, these are releasing next week on the 16th over on Nike Sneakers. You can also find these over at Foot Locker. You can also find these over at Champs. If you do your footwear, you should be able to get them. They're a dunk though, and dunk is usually a high demanding silhouette. So just try your hardest to go ahead and put in those raffles, put in those entries for these, and you should be able to get them if you're interested in them. Appreciate you guys so much for pulling up with me. I'm sorry, I know my energy is a lot higher than this, but like I said, I'm under the weather, so I'm trying to get better, and once I get better, I definitely will bring it 10 times better. A lot more reviews are coming for the channel. I have a lot more shoes coming, so stay tuned for that. Also, good luck this week, because I know that the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray does release this Saturday. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I made a video not too long ago about it, and I know that's a fan favorite and a lot of people are going to want that. Do your due diligence and you should be able to get those, not a problem. There is tons of pairs coming out, and I mean, if you really just do your footwork, you will get them. So like always, guys, this has been your boy, this has been your kid, Neff, right? That sun is just came out of nowhere for no reason, but like always, remember, there will only ever be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, guys, I love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.